I am really excited about these socks. I have used this type of sock before that had aloe on them, and these are very different than those. And let me show you why. First of all, these are made by a company called Love Lori, which is ironic because my name is Lori spelled this way. And the ones I've tried, like I said, had aloe on the inside that were mixed with a couple other ingredients. And this one actually has rose oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, and vitamin E. So I love that it has that mixture. The rose oil is kind of the prominent or most prominent scent in them. There's really not much of a smell, but there is a light scent. Now, these have just a really, really great texture on the outside here. They're really super soft, and I love that. Now, some of the pictures and things I have seen of them have little hearts on them. These that I got did not, and that is just fine with me. I don't know if those little hearts had any specific reason for them, or if they were just decorations. But this, let me tell you, this is what the main difference is. I want to show you the inside of these, is that the entire inside of it has that kind of a gel on it, that so it's not just going to concentrate on your heels, which is what the ones I had before did. They were from here to here, and that's all that was really being treated. So these are your entire foot that's going to get treated, and I love that because I have calluses places other than just at the heel. I have calluses all down one side and across here and up at the top of my toes. So this is really exciting for me. So they're really easy to put on. I'll go ahead and put them on my feet here and just kind of slide them, gently guiding them where on your feet you're going to, how far down you need to pull them. And wow, they feel really good. They actually are supposed to be left on between 20 and 30 minutes, and you can do it longer than that, but the treatments are basically supposed to be about 20 or 30 minutes. They're really, really comfortable. Now, these actually can be hand washed only. You don't want to put them in the washing machine because it's going to basically dissolve the inside too quickly. And same thing with the dryer. So you're going to hand wash them and then go ahead and let them air dry. Now, you should wear them 2 to 3 times a week for the best results, is what they're saying. And that these inside here, the lining, this gel coat, should last at about 100 treatments before you actually replace them with another pair. They are ridiculously comfortable. I am so pleased with them, and I love that it's treating the entire foot and not just spots on the foot. So for me, that's a huge difference, and I'm really excited about them. These are the moisturizing gel socks from Love Lori.